What's up, Tabletop Business Masterminds? It's your guy, Zack, Applewhite. I wanted to shoot a quick video while something was on my mind about seasons of growth. And it's on my mind because I'm not in one right now. And that's okay. So here's what I mean by seasons of growth. What I mean is that just like the seasons, okay, right now we're in spring. But before spring comes fall and winter and summer. And what I mean by seasons of growth, for me right now, is like this group. It's not growing really well. I've kind of contracted on a lot of my content. We've had a lot going on with my wife's Kickstarter, fulfilling that Kickstarter. I started a new job. We're about to hit the summer and my kids are going to be out of school. What does that mean for me? I've had a lot going on, and I'm preparing my presentation notes for Origins. I'm writing a book. So my content hasn't been like really hitting lately. Like I haven't really been getting into the groove of it. And this group, I haven't been really hitting it lately. I haven't been really getting into the groove of it. And I was starting to get to that mindset of like, oh no, am I letting it all fall apart? And the answer is no. I've been here before. All right. And this is the thing I had to remind myself, and I wanted to remind you of, is that there are seasons of growth. Oftentimes, you're not growing everything at the same time. So right now, I'm growing my content in a different way. I'm writing a book. I'm preparing notes for presentation. When the book comes out, I'll have a season of growth. When the presentations are given, which is only a few weeks away, I'll have a season of growth. But I've had a very long, prolonged period of non-growth, of winter, okay, of fall. And spring is around the corner. And that's the message, is that especially if you're project oriented, like I am, like so many in this group are, where you're writing the TTRPG, you're making the maps, you're doing the art, and then when you release it, you have a little bump in growth and activity, and all this stuff is happening. And it's important to remember that that's what you're building toward, that you've done it before, it's a cycle, keep going. Trust the process, all right? And that, yeah, you should still try and create content. I'm still trying to create content. I'm trying not to drop everything. I'm trying to do a little bit. I'm doing this video right now, okay? I'm still doing things that will help me grow and make it so that when I hit my season of growth, it's fertilizer for the spring. I am going to spring forward bigger and better because I was fertilizing during the winter, during the fall, okay? But I'm not growing a bunch during that time. And that's okay. That's part of the process. And that's all I wanted to talk to you about today, is that whether you're in a season of growth, know that it's not going to last forever, and that's okay. That's part of the process. And if you're not in a season of growth, but you're planting, you're fertilizing, then that's exactly what you should be doing, and to keep it up. Have a good one.